Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to reset network settings on iPhone. So if you have an iPhone and you want to reset your iPhone network settings but don't know how to go about it, then here's a video for you. So if at the end of this, you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, to reset your iPhone network settings, all you just need to do is go ahead and open the settings app. On the settings app page, scroll down, locate and click on general. Once you click on general, scroll down the general page until you get to the bottom. Then locate and click on transfer or reset iPhone. Once you click on transfer or reset iPhone, then you have two options here: reset or erase all content and settings. Now go ahead and click on reset. Once you hit reset, you should see all reset options available on your iPhone. Now to reset your iPhone network settings, locate and click on reset network settings. Once you click on reset network settings, see what that says type in your iPhone passcode. So go ahead, key in your iPhone passcode. And once you type in your iPhone passcode, if you're using screen time, you'll also be prompted to type in your iPhone screen time passcode. Then go ahead, type in the screen time passcode. Now you see what that says. This will delete all network settings, returning them to factory default. So if you want your iPhone to reset all your network settings back to the factory default, then go ahead and click on reset network settings. This will reset your iPhone network settings and everything will return back to the default settings. So that's exactly how to reset network settings on an iPhone. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.